0 2 millimeters, 3 millimeters, 4 millimeters, 5 millimeters, 11 millimeters.
Well, as you can see, folks, what I've done here is I've made a talking tape measure depth gauge. So when you're making the nib sections on handmade pens, the drilling depths are crucial for the nib to thread into the nib section. Very precise engineering. So I thought, how am I going to do it? How am I going to do
Turning
it?
off in 5 seconds.
How am I going to do it precisely? And then with some thinking and head scratching, I remembered that my talking tape measure, you can zero it in any place. So I thought, as long as it's pushed up against the blank at the start and zeroed, as you advance it, it'll read it out to me. So I've cut this block and I tapered it to remind me to have the fatter side on the top. And then, having done that, I thought, well, I'm going to have to put a nail in there to hook the end of the tape measure on. This is a very tight fit, friction fit, but very tight. Luckily I had a Forstner bit, exactly the same dimension as the quill on the tailstock. And also I've cut a piece of walnut, I think it was, to approximate sizes. That's covered in heavy duty velcro. There's heavy duty velcro on the top of the tailstock, and there's heavy duty velcro to the underside of my tape measure, so I can remove it and use it under normal circumstances. So what I've made there, I'm very happy with. Yeah, bit Heath Robinson, but it works. So there you go, amazing, love it.